Hi guys, my name is Evgeny Pavlov. I'm the CEO and founder of Tech Nomads, a UK relocation platform for tech founders and IT specialists. We are continuing a knowledge series, and today we're going to talk about a global talent visa for IT specialists, and specifically a topic about how to write your CV. Right? In order to discuss, let's go through the explaining the CV methods. Basically, CV is one of the documents and one of the main documents you are submitting as a part of your online application to the Tech Nation. Tech Nation is an endorsement body in the UK who will assess your application. Also, Tech Nation is appointed by Home Office, by UK government as an endorsement body. So first of all, your CV must be between 1 to 3 pages long. Usually it's 2-3 pages. This includes short summary, outlining your background experience at the top of the document. And the structure of the CV must be pretty simple and clear. Professional experience, education, skills and achievements, other experience. It can be attendance of the events and memberships, fellowships, and nominations. If you talk precisely about the CV structure, short summary for the background and experience. It must be from 1 to 5 sentences, introduction of top resume, as I said, and highlights most relevant and career experience and skills and achievements. So you have to talk about yourself and explaining in these 3 to 5 sentences your expertise, your achievements in the industry. Let's talk about example. So dynamic and creative software developer with 5 years experience in producing a robust code for the high volume companies, maybe specify the companies, eager to support the dev team with the top-notch coding skills. Specific skills could be explained as well. In the previous rows, doubled code efficiency or just created new code and increased customer retention by X amount of others. So this example, you have to understand that it's just example. So you have to actually explore, you have to input your information about your background, about your company. So we cannot state it in example, everything, right? About professional experience, you must list your work expertise and experience in reverse date order, making sure that anything you mentioned is relevant to the digital sector. Include your job title, name of the company, how long you've been within the organization, key responsibilities. So key responsibilities must be underneath of the position and company name. And mention impact and achievements. So within the key responsibilities, you can mention impact and achievements, doubled the sales, create the new code, depends on your position, if it's a technical position, a business position, right? So about education, list and date all previous education, including professional qualifications, which is important because people might attend the courses, short-term courses, might attend online courses, MIT, Stanford University, so on and so forth, Oxford University, LSE. Yes, these courses might be a week, or 1 day, or even 1 month, but still, all relevant education is important. Place the most recent first. Include qualification type, grades, and dates, right, when you completed the course, and mention specific modules on the way it's relevant. So this is important to identify if you study relevant modules within your scope of profession. It's just adding values for reviewing your CV. Skills and achievements. This is where you talk about foreign languages, you speak the IT packages, and you can completely utilize and use programming languages, mention also award certificates, and you have to the relevant digital sector. Award certificates, a fellowship is very, very important because this is where they see where you bring the talent in place and where you have a talent expertise in place. So it's quite crucial. Other experience. This section you can mention extracurricular activities, can be demonstrated if you're exceptional talent, exceptional promise, or exceptional talent. For instance, public speaking, events, conferences, universities, active community memberships. You can separate the sector about other experience. You can mention its events and fellowships, events and memberships, and you can rename it. But regardless of the title of the in the CV, the impact you have on the result is important what you place it in. So if you mention the information about events, conferences, nominations, memberships, judging competitions, then you're going to stand out as a global talent. Also, featuring media publications, we usually ask to prepare a separate page for the PR and media. It depends of the obviously size of it. If it's we had some clients with 10 to 15 pages of PR and media expertise, and so obviously you cannot tell it in the CV. But if you have a reasonable amount, you can place all links and relevant participation in tech mentoring and volunteering programs, tech-related publications, articles, and books. Yeah. Let's talk about 7 tips for writing the CV. Our first tip: have a clear structure. Section headings are the good way to break up your CV. So as I said at the beginning, it's very, very important, very crucial. Second tip: list everything in the reverse chronological order. Put your most recent achievements first, because when the technician, endorsement body assessing it, they'll see most relevant expertise first. Keep your CV concise by using clear spacing and bullet points. Tip number 4: use active verbs when possible. For instance, created, analyzed, manage. So present yourself who have initiative, right? So this is crucial side as well. Tip number 5: avoid generic, overused phrases such as team player, hardworking. It's so boring and so inefficient to place it, because the examiner who's assessing the case, they'll see it as generalized CV, and which will not demonstrate real lifetime examples, which is quite important to show. Tip number 6: make sure your email address sounds professional, right? Sounds professional, it means ideally if your email address not 007 com@gmail.com, something like this, should not be like this. Ideally, if it's your name or your full name at gmail.com, or maybe you have a personal website, or you work for the company, so you can put the business email as well. So it's perfect. Tip number 7, the last one: a good CV doesn't have any spelling or grammar mistakes. Always make sure you proofread your CV before submitting. And obviously, which is obvious, it's a font. Choose the font of the CV, right one with the right size, so that it's readable, it's clear in the understanding. If you like and you'd like to watch more videos, please go to our channel, Tech Nomads. Also, you can see the barcode at the left side or right side for yourself, for me, for the left side, and you can scan it and go and identify whether you're eligible for Global Talent Visa or for any other tech visas in the UK. Our website is nomadsintech.com. Also, you can follow us in social media, in Instagram, in Telegram, in LinkedIn, in Facebook, right? Thank you very much, and I hope you find knowledgeable information here today. So let's catch up later on. I will share some more knowledge here soon. Thank you.